कि वो कब तक रोकते हम आज़ाद हवा के परिंदों को, कि वो कब तक रोकते हम आज़ाद हवा के परिंदों को, जिनकी लहू में तूफ़ान, आँखों में अरमान और होठों पर जय हिंद और वंदे मातरम अंत समय तक आबाद था। कि लहू से लिख गए जो वो अपनी अमर प्रेम कहानी, कि जो लहू से लिख गए वो अपनी अमर प्रेम कहानी, क्या धन्य जवान थे वो अपने, क्या धन्य थी उनकी जवानी। कि इश्क तो करता है हर कोई, महबूब पर तो मरता है हर कोई। कि इश्क तो करता है हर कोई, महबूब पर तो मरता है हर कोई। अगर मरना ही है तो अपने वतन पर मर मिट के देखो, फिर तुम्हारा नाम क्या भूलता है कोई। A very happy Independence Day to you all. Today I am here to discuss with you about the importance of independence. We all know that this year we are celebrating the 79th year of independence. I am saying we all know this is because we never forget to do one thing, to remember these two dates, 26 January and 15 August, because we have to mention on our all social media platforms hashtag Independence Day, hashtag celebrating Independence Day, hashtag proud to be Indian, hashtag and so on. We never forget to do this. But why do we forget to mention our freedom fighters, because of whom we are really free? We are able to say ourselves that we are independent. Why do we forget to mention our soldiers, because of whom we are safe in this independent country? Why do we forget to mention our teachers, because of whom we are able to be a good citizen of this independent country? Why do we forget to mention our farmers, because of whom we are having to eat something in this independent country? Why do we forget to mention our parents, because of whom we even exist in this independent country? Why do we forget to mention them? But we never forget to mention the so-called celebrities, so-called superheroes, Marvel, Avengers, and whatever trend goes on in the youth. But why do we forget to mention our real superheroes, who are sacrificing their each and every day for our better present and future? They walked miles and miles barefooted for our independence, and we can't even walk to vote. We post hashtag proud to be Indian, but how many of us really feel proud to keep our streets clean? Independence is not just a gift, but it's a duty. Being a patriot means that you think not what your country has given to you, but what you have given to your country. Being patriot means that you respect, you appreciate each and every work, each and every person who is working for your country, and you do your own work with honesty. That means to be a real patriot, not to be just a soldier or a freedom fighter and giving your life for your country. Let us answer to a question: if we are really independent. So yes, we are independent, but still the rapist walks with more pride than the victim. Yes, we are independent, but still quality education demands money. Yes, we are independent, but still women feel fear to go outside alone. Yes, we are independent, but still women are not secure while working for their own job in their own independent country. Yes, we are free, we are independent, but still the birth of a girl is considered to be a sin over the birth of a boy. Yes, we are independent, but by the chains of colonization, not by the chains of our own mindset. And the day we will break these chains, we will truly independent. At last, आज़ादी की कभी शाम ना होने देंगे, आज़ादी की कभी शाम ना होने देंगे, शहीदों की कुर्बानी बदनाम ना होने देंगे, और जो बची है लहू की एक बूंद भी तब तक, और जो बची है लहू की एक बूंद भी तब तक, भारत माँ के आंचल को नीलाम ना होने देंगे। जय हिंद।